What are we doing today, Brittany?
We're going makeup shopping!
Where at?
At Ulta Beauty.
Oh yeah, baby.
So excited. So excited.
Look how gorgeous she looks today. Wow.
I try.
Oh yeah. And then we'll show you guys who we have back here. Kat and Ellie. Hi. We're manning the cameras today. We're gonna go do a makeup haul at Ulta Beauty, get everything we need. Get everything we need for the models, hair products, makeup products. Most of them will be drugstore brand as well, guys. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Okay, so we're at Ulta Beauty right now.
I'm just digging in. I'm just like, let's just go. Okay, so we need some eyeshadows for the girls at the studio, and NYX has some like really good little palettes. They have a few actually. So
These are kind of more
Like
of
a-
bronzy.
yeah.
And I like this palette because it does have those purples.
Yeah.
So you can definitely bring out
those
some
are really
different
pretty
looks.
too.
I think those are really cute.
So these are cute, and they literally have so many different palettes too.
Yeah.
This is one. That one's a smaller one though. I really like these. Oh, that's pretty though. Check that one out.
Ooh, I like that one too. Real neutral, warm tones.
It's called Warm Neutrals actually.
Oh,
So
perfect. Perfect timing.
Okay, so I like that one.
I do too.
This has a lot, and it has a lot of these colors, but it's like a smaller palette, and there's more colors. So
Let's do it.
grab that one. Let me leave these up because that's the type of shopper I am. Okay, so you said Morphe has good
Morphe
palettes
has
too.
some good palettes as well.
Okay.
And
So-
brushes. And
Yes.
we need brushes. So
We
let's
need
do
brushes.
a Morphe brush.
Okay.
Yes. So Morphe has quite a few, and they actually have a lot.
Yes, I like it.
Oh yeah.
Like this has a collection, so it has a lot of like your eyeshadow brushes that you would definitely use, and a lot of
I
palettes.
love that palette.
And then they have a lot of palettes over here too.
Okay.
So there's definitely a lot to choose from, which I absolutely love. I love.
Ooh, that one's really pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get in here. Let's just. I
Yeah,
don't
and
know which one to choose.
And I
They're
love
so pretty.
Morphe because it's good quality, but it still has a really good pigment, so you're still getting a really good quality eyeshadow.
Ooh, is this the Nature Glow? So this is that one.
Do you guys want to get the Fall into Frost or the Nature
This one,
Glow?
I know I like this one. I just need to find that one, the Fall into Frost. They might be out. Or wait.
35F? Oh, I think they might be out because I think it would probably be right there.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Then the Nature Glow would be a great choice, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so too.
Because it's got, I know some of us around there have blue eyes and stuff, and like your green eyes
Yeah.
are really pretty, and I feel like the reds and like the coppers look really pretty. It kind of pulls out those really pretty colors. This is good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And it's a really large palette, so there's a lot of colors in there, so I think it'll last us a really good time.
Okay,
A really long time.
so what's next on our list?
I don't know.
Oh, need my thumbprint.
Do they have like a brush kit we could get? Because we do need brushes. With Morphe, I know that
All of their individual brushes are very inexpensive as well. So I think the most expensive brush that they have is going to be about $14, but their eyeshadow brushes range from about like $3.50 to about $6.
Oh yeah.
So those are really great brushes as well.
I think Brittany, I think you should pick out the brushes because I feel like you probably know more about the brushes. I just like find one that's fluffy and go with it.
So they have them out here. So these are really nice. I mean, the basic eyeshadow brushes, I mean, you want to have a fluffier one so that you can kind of blend out. So this one's a really great one. And then if you ever wanted to do more of a smudge, these like really stiffer brushes are really great for those smudging. So I think that one's a really nice one to have as well.
I'm just letting
Do we
Brittany
need-
go work right now.
Do we need a lot of like eyeshadow
I
brushes?
feel like we need some eyeshadow brushes. I feel like we need like a good kind of a contour brush maybe.
Okay.
we're just picking out brushes.
And I feel like we need like a good highlighter brush too.
Because a lot of people put it just right there on the top of their cheekbones, on their nose.
Yeah.
So I think this one's a really great one because it's really fluffy, so you're not getting a lot of pigment on there, so you don't want to have a ton of, you know, shine.
Right.
Yeah.
What about a good blush brush? Blush brush. That's a fun word to say.
So again, with blush, I tend to like the fluffier ones as well, just so you don't have a lot of pigment. So I don't know. They've got quite a few. Which one do you think?
Ooh, fluffier the better.
Fluffier the better. So do you like that one?
Yeah, that's a fun one.
Yeah.
And that is that also, or is this the contour brush?
So this one right here, this one's going to be more for our translucent powder. So it's really fluffy, so it's really nice for that. And then this one is going to be for our contouring, so more of our bronzers. And then we have 3 eyeshadow brushes, really great. Some are stiffer, some are a little kind of looser, so we can get a lot of blending that way. This one right here is more for our highlighters, so it's really soft, really fluffy, so we can get that one as well. This one right here is going to be more for our blush, so it's really light, so we don't have a lot of pigment on
It's really fluffy too.
Yeah. And then this one, I don't remember.
That was a contour.
Oh, a contour brush. Yes, a contour brush. Yes.
Yay.
Awesome. Gonna be
Is it that one?
oh goodness, that didn't slide out. So this one's really white. Do we want one that's the white pigment, or do we want one that has just a little tint to it?
I say white.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do white.
Yeah. So that one's going to be a loose powder, and then there's one that's going to be a pressed powder. Do you like the loose better?
The loose is much better. I feel like it blends a lot better too.
Yeah. Blush palette. It's going to be this one right here from Morphe. It's going to be Cool Pro blush palette. So we really do like these colors because they're a little bit deeper. So with us going into the spring, summertime, our girls are going to be a little bit more tanner. So this is going to give us a little bit more color in their cheeks.
Yeah.
So I think this one's a really great color combo. So we're going to go ahead and grab that one.
She can get it back
If
on.
I can get it back in there. So it's going to be the 8C, the Cool Pro blush palette.
I'm so excited. It's like
Yes.
Christmas time. Let's get some stains for our lips.
Okay.
So let's find
You
some
like
lip stains.
It's like you really like.
Let's do NYX.
Yeah.
I want to.
I love NYX. That's what I'm wearing right now.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. Okay.
Yeah. So all right, Brooke's got lips under control. So let's follow her.
Really smooth, and it's more of like kind of a lip. It's really creamy, and it's kind of like a lip gloss type. I don't know. I love that, but I love the liquid suede. It goes on kind of like a lip gloss. This is actually the color I'm wearing. Cherries, guys. But it goes on like a lipstick or a lip gloss, and then it dries super matte, and it's so comfortable. I can literally wear this from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and not even have to like touch it up, so it's perfect. Okay, so this is like a perfect red, Monte Carlo. These are, oh, I have these too, yeah, the soft matte lip cream. These just feel so good on your lips. You just don't even know. And there's a lot of different colors of these too. I definitely think for us, I don't really feel like we need any nudes just because when we're on camera, it washes us out and things like that. And if anything, we want to be more bold on camera. So the red is perfect. I definitely think we need like a good pink. Do we like that? That's really pretty.
Try like a brighter pink too. don't you
Okay,
think?
yeah, we're gonna grab that one, but we're gonna get another pink one too. What about this one? Like a hot pink. I think so.
That screams
This is
cat.
cat. This is
Screams
called
cat
Paris.
right
there. This is for my
Sure, I
shirt.
guess.
Favorite mascara from L'Oreal, and then they also had a felt tip eyeliner too, so we're gonna try that out. And it looks really great, almost exactly the same, so we're gonna try this one out instead.
Yeah.
But also, if you guys have not tried the Lash Paradise Voluminous is my favorite mascara. It takes like your little nub of eyelashes to a whole new level.
Yeah.
Because I know sometimes mine break off and stuff, and this really helps still give you all the volume because it's
Absolutely.
luminous.
Yes.
So we're gonna grab a couple of these for the girls. Put those in the bag. If I can get it all in there. There we go. Done. So next thing, I think we need some hair supplies, and then we also need to grab like some brush cleaner. I almost said blush cleaner.
Like a daily spritz you can spray on.
Yes, yeah, to keep our brushes nice and clean for the girls. So let's go find some.
All right, awesome. So we found a nice brush cleaner. It's actually Ulta brand, their actual brand. So all you have to do with this, it's really great. All you have to do is spritz your brush, wipe it on a towel. It gets all the excess makeup off of it, and then you just set it down and you're good to go. So that's why I absolutely love this one. Super easy, super, I mean, it gets it clean. So, I mean, it's just great.
I'm so bad about cleaning my own brushes.
Yeah.
So this is like perfect to just have to like spray it. And you could do it, you could probably even just do it after every time you use them, honestly.
absolutely.
And it would be so easy. Now, if you haven't cleaned your brushes in like in a year, you might have to do it a couple times, then wipe it a few times like me. But after that, then you're good to go.
Yes.
I'm excited to try this.
Perfect.
So,
Awesome.
okay, so we definitely need some brushes at the studio for sure. I know a few of us had more tender heads than some of us do, so the wet brushes are perfect for that. Whether your hair is actually wet or not, it's just something good to have. So we're gonna find some. The detangle ones are the best, just because, like I said, they're great and they're pretty small too, and it's very comfortable while you're brushing your hair. I think we should definitely get a couple though, because we have lots of girls, so, you know, my favorite color and pink, so we might as well.
Yay! Awesome. You know what? I am a professional hairdresser, so I do have my license. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go to State Beauty Supply, which is where hair professionals go and get their supplies, and we're going to get them at a cheaper cost. No, I mean, not that we don't love Ulta here, but just cost effectiveness.
Efficient?
Efficient.
Cost, whatever.
You
Just
know,
save a little
that
bit
word.
of money.
You know, that word. We're just going to save a little bit of money that way, because we do need this stuff all the time. So we're just going to go ahead and do it that way.
And I'll say, like, this kind of stuff, like the texture spray, the dry shampoo, any type of hairspray, we use daily, multiple times. So that's something we bulk up on. So it's definitely just a little bit more cutting the costs a little bit.
Absolutely.
And State is fun too, because you get to see things that you don't normally get to see in like Ulta or something like that. So we're gonna go grab those right now.
Yes.
That was fun.
Yes, it was super fun. We got a whole bag
Bunch of
full of
stuff.
goodies that we can't wait to get back to the studio.
I get to play with it tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, let's get out of here, guys.
Yes. Before we continue shopping.